Hello English learners. Today we'll learn more about the plural in English. And I don't mean those simple examples, but we will take a look at the irregular plural forms. Ready? Let's get started. Do you think that every noun ends in s in plural form? That's what you've probably heard when you started learning English. But that is definitely not true. To learn more about exceptions, please stay with me. I'll explain all the exceptions when it comes to plural forms. The rule you've learnt is often true, like you see in the example below. You have one cat, but two or more cats. The word here ends in s. But, as I said, there are more exceptions here. Let's start with an easy exception. Here we have nouns that end with f and fe. In those nouns, the letter f will be changed into ves in the plural form. So, for example, those words knife in singular form and knives in plural. Life and lives. Like my life, but their lives. Wife and wives. Calf in singular form, and calves in plural. Leaf and leaves. All the nouns that end in letter O will get an additional e before the s. Like the words below. One potato, but a few potatoes. Tomato and tomatoes. Hero and heroes. And lastly, volcano and two or more volcanoes. Easy, right? So, let's learn some more complicated plural forms. As you can see here, some nouns are changing their vowels in the plural form. So, we have one tooth, but several teeth. 1 foot, but 2 feet. Goose and geese. And of course one woman, but several women, and one man, but several men. Some nouns get the en ending instead of s. Like below. You can have one child or several children. Maybe two or maybe more. And a farmer can have one ox or several oxen. And you? How many children do you have? We have also nouns that change their spelling completely. Do you see the words below? We can have one mouse or a few mice. Notice that saying mouses is incorrect. Lice and lice in plural. One die and a few dice. And one penny, but several pence. In most cases, you will always say people when you mean more than one person. That's not all. We also have nouns that have the same plural and singular form. One sheep and two or more sheep. The same goes for moose, swine, buffalo, and shrimp. I love eating shrimp. What about you, guys? Here are some more examples of words that have the same plural form. Aircraft, spacecraft, and fish. But be careful when using fish in plural. When you mean several fish of the same species, you would say fish. But if you meet many different types of fish swimming together, you would say fishes. When we have foreign words that end in I, we would also give them a different ending than s. They would end in I instead. So, one cactus, but two or more cacti. One fungus, but more fungi. And one octopus, but more octopi. However, here you can also say octopuses. There are also nouns in English that are always in plural form. A lot of clothes items are always in plural form, like pants, trousers, shorts, jeans, and pajamas. Some tools are also always in plural, like glasses, headphones, and scissors. Is any one of you wearing glasses now? Lastly, we have those words that are always in plural form too. Like congratulations, thanks, and earnings, meaning how much money you earn when you work. So, that's it for today. I hope you've learnt a lot. Make sure to subscribe to learn more English grammar. Until next time, bye.